full.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You could also do it later than that, but 2 seconds usually safe. Let's try to get all bombs from that bag as fast as we can when it drops. Doors closed. Other side. Good job, guys. Much better. Do that with this one too. We'll get one less set of trash and we'll be able to transition easier. Gonna dev this one. Kalani, if you would Spirit Link Totem the next one. The next blast, which is in 20 seconds. Awesome.
Door closed.
Okay, let's clean up these ad. Got 2 bellows coming from the other side.
On the next blast, we're gonna get Country Boys Trank.
Watch those bombs, middle of the raid.
Ant Magic Starline. Country Trank, thank you. Gonna do the same on the next one with Craig's. It's gonna
Go ahead and
be
get that slag on top.
it's gonna be Tannis with Ant
Hey.
Magic and then Craig with Trank. Here it comes. Ant Magic, Trank. Thank you, Tannis.
All in. Push hard. I'll fire call.
Cleanse Skull, thank you.
Skull down.
Okay. Get the fire callers down.
Craig, you've got the fixate on you if you'd get the skull.
Get the slag down.
Kilani, Spirit Link the next one. It should be up.
All in.
It might not be up. I forgot that the cooldown goes down. Spirit Link on the next available blast. Yep, that seems about right.
All in fire call. Move to next. Collins.
Craig, is Trank back?
50 seconds.
Roger.
Countries is
30 seconds.
His name's Craig, not Roger.
Tide is up.
Hit tide. I'm gonna take mine to the next one.
Fire collars are out. All on fire call.
I didn't because there was nothing to tide on.
Yeah. I'm gonna need to drink. I'm gonna drink right now.
Yeah, go for it.
You might want tide now though, before everyone dies.
Red.
Odor came
Let's get
close.
this slag down.
Drink is dead.
Man, why won't this slag move? Move!
He's spam casting.
Drink it.
There. Okay, all on skull.
Sorry about that. Which Trank's up?
Mine.
Mine.
Gotta save him for bigger hits right now.
Yeah, we're looking fine.
I have some descendants.
Country, did you drink yet?
Yeah, I drank.
Okay, fire collars are out. Kill the fire collar. Mr. Boston.
Kalani, don't die.
Do this.
Quickly get to con.
I'm ascending.
Tom, please.
Melts down. Move up.
Move out of the puddle. Aelin Fox Country Train. I'm gonna dev the next one, and then depending on how we're doing, Craig, you'll trank the
Get
next.
behind the boss, not alongside. You're just making me move faster.
Move behind the boss directly. Green triangle. I've got marked with green triangle. Country Trank Grayson Fox.
That'll be Craig drank that drank a few seconds ago.
Craig
Save
Trank.
it then. For the spot.
Awesome.
Tony. Moving.
Give me a ship wall.
Moving.
I move.
DPS spots.
Health pot.
Kalani, do you have Spirit Link?
I blasted early.
What do we have? Anything?
I have tide in 6 seconds.
Okay.
Move.
Use Tide when available.
I need a cooldown or something.
We got it.
You got a sack.
I have ship wall in 10.
Okay, stop. Stop.
There we go.
Nice.